Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I'm talking a little bit soft, limited on sound, not trying to wake the family up, but I did a quick style for you guys. I'm gonna call it a sleek with a braided twist, a sleek bun with a braided twist. So if you'd like to see how I got this hairstyle, then keep watching. So we're gonna begin by parting our hair from ear to ear, making that front section in half, and then putting the rest of our hair away and then beginning in the front section. So I'm gonna do a braid going straight down the middle. So I'm gonna make a section for that, making a braid straight down in the middle, and we're only gonna be braiding one half, so you want to put the rest half away. So I'm just applying a little bit of edge control, and then I'm gonna begin to braid. My hair has already been moisturized with the Melanin hair care products, doing the LOC method with the leave-in conditioner, the oil, and the twist elongating style cream. And the good thing about this style, you can do any braiding pattern that you like, so you don't have to do the exact same braiding pattern. You can just section off your hair and do any braiding pattern that suits your head. So we're finished braiding. I'm just putting it into a little bun, and you want to make sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video. I show you multiple ways that you can style this look. So since we're finished braiding, we're just going to sleek with a little bit of edge control, and then after that we're going to begin to do the sleek bun. So I'm just gathering my hair into a low bun and securing it that way, and then I'm gonna apply the gel on top. First, I'm spraying in this bottle. I have a mixture of the Melanin multi-use leave-in conditioner and water with a little bit of oil, shake, 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 and then I have like a misty leave-in spray. So I sprayed that on top, and then I'm applying the Eco Styler gel, the olive oil kind, on top to smooth. So I didn't have to detangle my hair. I can get my hair pretty slick without having to detangle. So that's why I did my bun this way, and thus I'm gonna be brushing just to smooth out the gel onto my hair. And this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna finish up adding a little touches to my edges just to make sure those stay flat. And I'm gonna be tying my hair down with a scarf for about an hour, and then I'll show you guys the finished results. So here goes the big reveal. I just left the scarf on for about an hour, and there you go. My hair is super sleek. My braided side is sleek as well. My low bun is sleek, sleek, sleek. So this is the finished results, and stay tuned for more look. So for the second look, we're going to be placing that back section into a bun, and I'm impressed by my own bun. I made my bun go. I was super happy with the fullness of it. It didn't look like a struggle bun. Finally, I'm impressed with my bun. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So I'm just using open hairpins to secure my bun, and that's basically the second look, the braided pattern with a sleek bun. So this is look number 2, the sleek bun with a braided twist. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and don't forget to leave me in the comment section below which style was your favorite, and would you be daring enough to rock the little bun on top, or would you just slick it back in the rest with the bun? I'm saying bye. Little that I know I had another style to do. This is my best look out of the 3 looks. So look number 3, I basically pinned the twist back into the bun in a crisscross motion. So I'm just showing you a close up of how the braids were twisted back into the bun. So I crisscrossed the one going over, and then the one was going underneath, and then I basically pinned it and secured it in that top bun, and the other was pinned and secured underneath. So this is the final look. And I want to give a special thank you to you. Yes, you. Yes, yes. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not. And leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't be shy. So thank you again. I appreciate all the love and support. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. This is it. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.